In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install apps in your Slack workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the tools you need, add them to Slack, and connect them so they're ready to use with your team. Let's start inside Slack. Look over to the left-hand sidebar where you normally see your channels and direct messages. Near the bottom, you'll see an option labeled More. Go ahead and click that, and then choose Apps from the menu that appears. This opens the app browser, which is your central place for discovering and managing apps inside Slack. Once the app browser is open, you'll see a list of popular apps along with a search bar at the top. You can scroll through the directory to get ideas, or if you already know what you're looking for, use the search bar to type in the name of the tool you need. For example, you might search for Google Drive, Zoom, or Jira. Take a moment to make sure you pick the correct app, especially if there are several that look similar. When you've found the app you want, click on it to open its details page in Slack. Here you can quickly review what the app does and how it integrates with your workspace. When you're ready, look for the Install or Add button and click it. Slack will then redirect you to the Slack app marketplace in your browser, where you'll finish the setup. In the marketplace page for that app, you'll usually see another button labeled Add to Slack. Click this to start the permission process. Slack will show you a list of what the app can access, such as channels, messages, or basic workspace information. Take a moment to review these permissions so you understand what you're allowing, and if everything looks good, confirm to continue. After granting permissions, most apps will ask you to connect your external account so they can actually do their job. For instance, if you're adding a file storage app or a calendar app, you'll be prompted to sign in with the matching service, such as your work account with that provider. Follow the on-screen instructions, sign in securely, and approve any final prompts. Once that's done, you'll be brought back to Slack, and the app should now appear in your Apps section. From there, you can open it, customize settings if needed, and start using it with your channels and teammates.